Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So this is the official video for the 1954 Cadillac Hearse, the official for sale video, I should say. I took a bunch of still pictures last night. As I've stated numerous times, guys are probably tired of hearing me say it, the windshield is not Hearse specific. It is the same as a coupe or a sedan, so that makes it easy to find 59s and 60s. However, that's not the case. They are Hearse specific windshields. I have a friend also who I can put you in touch with who has a front bumper for the car for $400, and then also has wheel covers and skirts available if anybody wants them. He has a lot of Hearse parts. I do have the grill for the car. As you guys can see, there's a pile of parts right there that will be put back inside the car that goes with it. But I'll just do a quick walk around, show everybody the details, and then I will put the still pictures that I took last night in the end of this video. It is a very solid car. It needs some floor pan work and a couple places here and there on the body. That's one of them. But again, these cars are getting harder and harder to find. This is a very rare model, so if you like it, people just have to do the sheet metal work. All the glass in the car is good, except the windshield. These back pieces of glass here, the curved pieces, are extremely rare, and these are perfect. No cracks, no chips, nothing like that. Just open up the car for you guys right here. Table is really decent. You still have most of the fabric for patterns and things like that if you want it. Most of it is still there. I left it, I did not tear it out. Got the really cool logo right there. If you guys have any questions or want any specific pictures of anything, please let me know. It's never a problem. The doors do open and shut nicely. Have another little issue right there. And I would venture to say that this is the worst of it right here. The frame on this car is beautiful, and I can provide pictures underneath to anybody who wants them. I always try to be as transparent as possible with my cars. I don't want anybody to ever have any questions. And that one right now is stuck. I had it open last night, so I'll work on that in a second, and I'll get that open. I just washed it yesterday, so it's a little sticky. But I did have all the doors. You can refer back to the video that I took yesterday of washing it for the first time. I had all the doors open. And then, of course, original motor is here, and it has a newer fuel filter on it, so it looks like somebody was actually either running it or working on getting it running, and it looks like it would turn over just fine. It doesn't look as crusty as some motors that I've seen, but it is a numbers matching original motor. Floor pans in the front need doing. The roll pan right there is good. Firewall, whatever you want to call it, those are good. It's just the flat pieces on the bottom there that need doing. Car is showing 45-ish thousand miles on it on the odometer. So anyway, I have a lot of people asking for this video, so I'll get it posted on my YouTube quickly. The roof is beautiful. There's not a dent in the roof. There's no rust in the roof. I will also attach a still picture of that. I got up on top of it yesterday and took a picture of the roof, and as I said, it's just beautiful. So nice curvature to it still, nothing that needs to be pounded out or anything like that. Like I said, doors shut really nicely. Body lines and gaps are still good. All right, if there's anything else that anybody wants, please let me know.